morning students. Today I will be teaching you about the set operators. The set operators are used to query or combine the data from the output of two similar queries. The set operators are used to perform union, intersection and minus operations on the query result sets. MySQL supports only two types of set operators, that is union and union all. Intersection and minus operators are not available in MySQL. Let's start with the union operator. The union operator is used to combine the result set of two queries. The type, name and the sequence of columns in the queries used in the union operator must be the same. The union operator combines the output of both the queries and generates unique rows from both the queries as output. The following table demonstrates the concept of the union set operator. Consider the two tables in this slide. The first is the table customer branch 1 and the second is the table customer branch 2. Since both these tables have the same column names, those are account number, customer name and balance, and the data types of the respective columns in each of these tables are also the same. That's why the union set operator can be used for the columns in the tables. That means the data type of the column account number in both these tables are the same. The data type of the column customer name in both these tables are the same. And lastly, the data type of the column balance in both these tables are also the same. Now check the query in this slide. The query says select customer name from customer branch 1 union select customer name from customer branch 2. This query is going to extract the entries of the column customer name from both the tables customer branch 1 and customer branch 2 after removing the duplicates. This shows that the union set operator generates unique rows from both the tables after removing the duplicates. Now see both the tables. As the customer name P. Pattanayak, I. Misra and A. Dasgupta occurs in both the tables, so only one entries of those will be added into the output table after removing the duplicates. And the other customer names M. Hansika, R. Das and N. Das and K. Agarwal are occurring only once, so they will be easily added into the output table. The output table shown here is the result of the SQL query in the previous slide, and it is very clear from this table that the entries P. Pattanayak, I. Misra and A. Dasgupta of the column customer name are occurring only once due to the removal of the duplicate entries. As a result, this output table consists of 7 rows for the column customer name. As we discussed, the union operator generates distinct rows from the queries on which the union operator has been applied. In case we want duplicate rows in the output as well, the union all operator can be used. That is the difference between the union and the union all operator. In the union operator, it takes all the entries from both the tables after removing the duplicate entries, whereas if you use the union all operator, then it will include the duplicate entries as well. Check the query in this slide. A slight adjustment has been made to the query in that the word union has been replaced with union all, and once the word union has been replaced with union all, the entire logic of this query becomes different. As a result, the query is going to extract the entries of the column customer name from both the tables customer branch 1 and customer branch 2, taking the duplicates as well. This shows that the union all set operator generates rows from both the tables, including the duplicates as well. Now see the tables as the customer name P. Pattanayak, I. Misra and A. Dasgupta occurs in both the tables, so they will be occurring twice in the output table. And the other customer names M. Hansika, R. Das, N. Dash and K. Agarwal are occurring only once, so they will be easily added into the output table. The output table shown here is the result of the SQL query in the previous slide. It is clear from this output table that the column name customer name is accepting duplicate entries, and this is shown by P. Pattanayak, I. Misra and A. Dasgupta occurring twice.